Hello viewer, we are going to take a text on aligned into the center, make it fix, change the color here. So we will change the style of the layer. These are the layer styles. So we will use that eraser tool in the center and how it is looking after using the eraser tool on that text. So we will create a shape like that. And here we will apply an eraser tool to unhide the text under it.